Hi everyone. For the Agents for Business track, I built the Automated RFP Lead Assessor. In the B2B enterprise space, responding to requests for proposals, or RFPs, is a high-stakes bottleneck. Sales and engineering teams spend dozens of hours manually reading 50-page technical documents, researching the requesting company, and debating whether the lead is actually worth pursuing. This manual triage process causes delayed responses, wastes expensive engineering hours on low-probability deals, and ultimately costs the business revenue. The problem I set out to solve is, how can we rapidly, accurately, and autonomously assess incoming RFPs to prioritize high-value sales pipeline action? Welcome to the Automated RFP Lead Assessor. In the enterprise space, evaluating request for proposal documents is a massive bottleneck that wastes expensive engineering hours. To solve this, we built an autonomous, multi-agent architecture powered by Gemini to instantly triage these leads. Let's trace the exact workflow. It begins when a human director submits a new RFP through the React dashboard, hitting our Flask API. The API immediately triggers the first phase of our pipeline, the Extractor agent. Its sole job is to isolate the strict technical requirements. Those parameters are securely handed off to our second agent, the researcher, to gather critical external context. It dynamically queries our Wikipedia MCP server, feeding that live market context into the assessor agent. The assessor calculates a definitive go or no-go decision, which flows through the database directly back into the dashboard. Let's jump into the live demo. This is the React Human-in-the-Loop dashboard. It starts completely clean. I'll begin by submitting a brand new request for proposal. We input the company details, describe the technical project requirements, and set the budget to $250,000. The moment I hit submit, the automation takes over. Right now, in the background, our extractor and researcher agents are executing their complex parallel tasks. And there it is. The newly assessed lead drops directly into our feed. Notice how the AI has instantly synthesized a massive amount of unstructured data. When we open the lead to review it, you can see the sheer depth of the intelligence. First, the extractor agent successfully pulled the strict hardware and software requirements. Next, our researcher agent successfully executed its Wikipedia MCP query to pull critical context about the target company's market position. Finally, the assessor analyzed this combined data to assign a high-confidence go or no-go score. The intelligence is flawless, so I will officially approve this lead. With a single click, the lead is approved, and the sales pipeline moves forward. To bring this system to life, we wrote the backend in Python using Flask and the front end in React. What you are looking at here is one of our most powerful features. Our custom Model Context Protocol server that dynamically queries Wikipedia. I built this entire complex architecture by pair programming directly with the Anti-Gravity IDE agent. As you can see in our chat history, Anti-Gravity helped me rapidly vibe code the backend. It also helped engineer robust fallback mechanisms to handle API rate limits gracefully. The entire Automated RFP Lead Assessor project is open source and publicly hosted on GitHub. As you can see in our extensive README, the codebase is fully compliant with all Capstone requirements. We have meticulously documented our multi-agent framework, the Wikipedia MCP integration, and the human-in-the-loop workflow. Furthermore, the project is incredibly easy to use. With just a few simple install commands, any enterprise can securely deploy this exact system to their own environment in minutes. Thank you to the judges for your time. We hope you enjoyed the demo.